Nestled in the heart of downtown Los Angeles, the Cecil Hotel stands as a silent sentinel, its walls echoing with tales of tragedy, unexplained events, and a palpable sense of unease. From its grand opening in 1924 to its eventual rebranding, the Cecil has become synonymous with mystery and darkness, attracting a morbid curiosity that transcends its physical structure. The Cecil Hotel opened its doors during a time of economic boom in Los Angeles, intended to be a lavish destination for business travelers and tourists. However, the Great Depression cast a long shadow, and the hotel struggled to maintain its upscale image. The surrounding area deteriorated, becoming a haven for crime and poverty, which in turn affected Cecil's reputation. The Cecil Hotel has hosted several infamous individuals, some of whom met tragic ends within its walls, while others were notorious figures seeking anonymity. Richard Ramirez, the notorious Night Stalker serial killer, reportedly resided at the Cecil Hotel during his reign of terror in 1985. Jack Unterweger, this Austrian serial killer, also stayed at the Cecil in 1991, adding another layer to the hotel's macabre history. The most recent and widely publicized case, Elisa Lam's bizarre disappearance and death in 2013, sparked a global internet frenzy. Surveillance footage of her erratic behavior in the hotel elevator fueled speculation and numerous theories. Beyond the documented tragedies, the Cecil Hotel is rife with urban legends and claims of paranormal activity. Guests have reported unexplained noises, apparitions, and a general feeling of unease. After years of closure and extensive renovations, the Cecil Hotel has reopened. Though rebranded, its past continues to intrigue and haunt, making it a landmark of mystery and a chilling reminder of the darkness that can lurk beneath the surface.